Hi, I'm Spencer Ehrenfeld, and here's the latest cruise ship passenger news from the Huffington Post. Tragedy occurred this week when an 8-year-old girl fell to her death aboard a Carnival cruise ship. News reports say that the Carnival ship was in port at the Port of Miami while thousands of passengers were in the process of disembarking. Apparently, the young girl peered over an interior railing and fell 5 stories to her death. Whether or not Carnival is responsible for this will depend on a number of factors, which will require a very in-depth investigation. In order to hold a cruise line like Carnival accountable, it would have to be shown that Carnival either knew or should have known of a dangerous condition with this railing and failed to warn this particular passenger. Our condolences go out to this child and her family, and we hope that they're able to find answers to their questions. To learn more about this, click on the link below. Thank you.